So this shows the roof of the Ford Custom, which has nice big flat panels on it, and the MaxxFan lid, if you put it in line with the indent on that side, this side then lines up exactly with the indent there, and the fittings through here actually go into a main support that runs through on the inside, and the whole thing is then sandwiched down onto a flat piece of metal. And I'm not going to do the whole build because there's loads of videos on the internet showing you how to fit the MaxxFans. I'll just show you the highlights of what I'm thinking about. So I've got a ridge running through here, and I want the screws to go through that ridge for extra support. So what I've done is I've put a line on here. It's not really showing up, it's only a very faint line. I've got a line here, I've measured back 100mm, and I'm going to drill a hole through there. That will be my reference point. Then I'm going to go up onto the roof and then mark out where I want to cut off of that hole. So on top of the roof we have our hole that came up through the roof just here. So I measured back 100mm, which gave me the inside edge, and then it misses the flange there, so it'd be a nice bit of sealant going around there. It misses that part there, and then all I did to square it up, I measured off of the roof rail both parts and popped it on. And what I'm trying to do is do this quick enough that I miss the rain that's coming in. Okay, so I waited for the rain clouds to pass. So what we've got the hole here. I've measured back and squared up, and then allowed the extra to go around the edge to give me a 400 opening. So what we're going to do is just cut that 400 opening out, and at the same time we've got the little Makita vacuum cleaner up here that I reviewed earlier, and we're using the battery operated Makita jigsaw. I'll see you when the hole's cut. So there we go, that's the top on with the Secaflex around the outside, and that's as neat as I can get it. How you're meant to get those screw heads any neater than that, I'm not quite certain. They should really supply you with little plastic cups that would go on top of the mastic. That would look very neat then. But overall, quite happy with that. So this is it from the other side, and that took just over 2 hours to cut the hole and get it installed into the roof so it's watertight. So this is the MaxxFan at roof height. It's only just above the roof rail bars, so it's quite nice low profile and sits on there quite nicely. So if anyone's got a Ford Transit Custom, you can fit the 400mm MaxxFans quite happily on the flat. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. So it fits quite nicely in that gap. Thank you for watching.